All right, as this thing bottomed. All right, that's what we're looking for here. We have a breakout of this overhead resistance, this blue line here. So technically, this thing should start moving here. All right, it has moved up. We had a spike up here to almost 70 cents. That is a resistance area. We're going to pull this line up here, right there. Okay, and let me get this off here. All right, there we go. All right, we got a lot going on in the market. We got a lot of stuff moving out there today. We'll get right back and look at these RSIs on this thing and see if it's going to have enough juice to push up through here. But and we'll see what's going on with this thing. I got the crypto bubbles to show you guys. Look at this. For the day, these things are just moving. 98 out of the top 100 are green. All right, look at these numbers. Not small numbers either. These 44%, 44, 17, 18, 17, 37, 12, 12, 13, 13, 12. A lot of big numbers out there. So looking very, very good. All right, let's take a look at that. Let's pull Bone up on here. Market cap 151 million. Volume is at 11.5 million. We're up 4.3% for the day. All right, if you take a look at the Fear and Greed Index, we're up to a 76. We were at a 72 yesterday. Look up here at the top. 24-hour liquidations, 317 million. That's up 17%. I'm sure that is taking shorts out. Open interest is at 41.8 billion, up 8.99%. And the volume for the crypto market, $247 billion. That's up 18.79%. The 24-hour long and shorts, they're about even. Longs are 50.15% and shorts are 49.85%. So pretty close to even. And I want to give a big shout out to the members. They absolutely deserve it. They keep this channel going. Thank you so very, very much, everybody. We have 62 members now. And I can't thank you guys enough. I really can't. So if you're interested, there's a level 3 trading membership over there for $14.99. Get you 8 hours worth of videos. Get you access to the Discord. Just a 99-cent membership gets you access to the Discord. So get you 8 hours worth of videos, the level 3 trading lessons. This will give you a big jump in this market, guys. You need to know what you're doing if a bull run's coming up. If you don't learn from me, please go learn from somebody. All right, you're going to have to. You don't want to just wing this bull market. I'm telling you. I know from experience. It'll crush you. All right. I want to show you real quick before we go over Bone. Bitcoin dominance. This is worth showing. Look at this thing. This is on a daily. All right, we're expecting a pullback down into this zone. If you go on the 4-hour chart, you can see a 5-wave down. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5th wave should come somewhere down in this zone. Gee, sorry there, I stuttered. And right down here, but around the 618 to the 786 area, we're looking for this thing to bottom. All right, so that's what we wanted with Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin itself is starting to take back a big level I was watching for here, 46,800. It has taken that back. You can see this thing moving its way back up here. All right, after earlier, it ended up shooting up here. Look at this. Look at this buy order. 7,000 Bitcoin. That shot the price up to 49,000. Then right after that, look at them sell orders. Look at the selling that came in there. All right, so yeah, right up here, this blue line is the 618 fib level, and you had sellers up here, 49,000 bucks. Knocked it back down here. It's going to give it another run back up. You want to see it break the 48,100 level. That's this green fib. You want to see it break through there. So definitely keeping a close eye on that. Now Bone. Let's get in here. All right. And take a look at this thing. You can see, look at the hourly. Now that looks perfect on an hourly. Okay, you break out, retest, and then it should start moving here. All right, is this the? Let me make sure this is the chart I want. Actually, I want the other one. The other one has the wedge on it. There we go. Hourly, same thing. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so breakout, retest, and this thing should start going here. Okay, that bottom right there, I wouldn't expect it to go back below that 64-cent level. I'd expect that to hold now as support and see this thing move up. Got the 1 hour RSI reset, bullish at a 22 and a 17. The 4 hour is at a 57 and a 72. It's actually bearish, trying to turn back up here. All right, you see a green 4 hour candle started. The 8 hour 88 and a 94. It's technically bearish on the RSI. We have a green 8 hour candle here though, and the 12 hour is at a 91 and a 92. Technically bearish. All right, right at the top here. Our daily is 70 and a 45 bullish, and the weekly is trying to turn back up, a 30 and a 39. It's trying to put the brakes on here and start back up. So that's what we want to see here at a bone. That monthly, that's the big one. 3.6 and a 1.9. That's bullish. If your blue number is bigger than the orange, you're bullish. Okay, that's the big thing you want to watch out for there. On this daily, what do we have down here in this RSI? Okay, this is on the daily. Got this low and higher low. Alright, we're good with that. That low and a higher low. Yeah, I was keeping a look on, I'll watch for any bearish divergence, which we came right back down here and bounced right off that line. So just waiting for a move out of bone here. I would expect one. I mean, we had this wick up to almost 70 cents. You're going to want to watch these levels here, guys. Right here. All right, this looks like a 1-2. It absolutely looks like a two-wave pullback here. What would that be? That would be a, you'd have your one wave, two wave back, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right up through the line here. Now, if we go on an 8 hour, I just want to see where this bottom is at with this thing, with this move. All right, here we go. All right, now if we put a Fibonacci on here from the swing low to the swing high. Yeah, perfect. 618 pullback right there. All right, 618. It was at 64.40, and it's starting to bounce from there. Want to see it, that first area I want to see it take out is the 66 cents. All right, and then this 69.5 up here that we came up and hit. That would be your next resistance area. Areas of support. This 64, this shouldn't break. This 64.4, that should hold as support just fine. All right, I don't see it coming back below that. If it would, the 63.84 here is also very good support. You got support all through here on this thing, especially on a daily. I mean, it's just everywhere. All kinds of areas of support. So, but these are your biggest areas right through here you want to keep an eye on. All right, you want to see a break of that 70 cents, 69.50 area, and but that first one to take out is the 66 cents. All right, 64.40 should hold for support, and keep an eye on this thing. We had a pullback here to the 618, so the 702's down here at 63.75. All right, 702 is a good area to bounce from too. So I expect this thing to absolutely start marching out of here. Now, this thing has been beaten down for just months. All right, and you can see this wedge formation. That's a bullish pattern. And a breakout of the wedge. This thing should run up here. So we'll keep an eye on this. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll be back with you very soon, guys. Thanks a lot.